Alright, just need to grab a quick drink. I've got a little bit of a cold going on. Right, so we were at the bottom, we were curving the bottom. So E for extrude. So, oh, sorry, let me put that back. So we're going to go E for extrude, and then at the bottom here, we're just going to scale this all the way in. So you know what? I'm going to go back. I'm just going to press Control Z, go back up to this vertices. I'm going to go E, come back down again, and then we're just going to start scaling in from this point, I believe. Sorry if anyone's copied that. I just realised that I needed a little bit more room for the bottom there. So this is why this has happened. So adjustments, just make some slight adjustments there to what you need this object to do, and then we're just going to scale it all the way in at the bottom. So once we've got that, which is our entire wireframe, I'll show you on this one what I've got. You'll be left with this, which is almost like a bowl kind of shape. And I mean, you could save this as a bowl if you wanted to, and then you could come back to it and then save it as a completely different project and make it a coffee cup if you wanted to. So you notice that this is very kind of bumpy. It's got a lot of faces to it. So what we're going to do, right click, shade smooth, and then this will be the basis for our coffee cup. Now it doesn't quite look the way that my coffee cup does, but it is just the basic shape. So when it comes to making the handle, there are many different ways that you can do this. I'm going to teach you a basic way of making one, and then later on, if we make more cups, I'll teach you a more advanced way. But since a lot of people who are watching these tutorials, you know, they're looking at basic stuff, I'm going to teach you the basic way. So start with a cube. Go to add and mesh and then cube. You'll notice that your cube arrives in the middle of the cross section of the vertices and axes. So we're going to go G, we're just going to move it up. And we're going to move it up to the side of the cup. Oops. Yep. So it should stay like this. And then we're going to go S for scale.